Hello guys, welcome back for another free time vlog. So for today's video, like I've mentioned last time, nung kailan ba? Sabi ko 'di ba magi-gaming ako. So hindi siya live streaming. So game ano lang siya, recorded lang siya. So ang lalaroin natin is Mobile Legends. Sobrang lakas naman. Yan. So, ang usualing position ko is parating nasa top. Or hindi. Depende sa ano. Ano bang ano nito? Basta, either top or bottom lang naman. Parang ang sama ng tanuga. Pero yon, sa top tayo ngayon. Ang usualing binaban kong hero, ano pa lang ako guys eh, epic pa lang ako. So, hindi pa ako tumaas ever since. Hindi pa ako nag-rank ever since. So, ang usualing binaban ko dyan is si Saber at saka si Fanny. Kasi napakahirap nilang kalaban. Actually, maraming mahirap kalaban. Pero ang inuuna ko si Saber at saka si Fanny parati.
The enemy is picking.
I am not the only one bound
Your
by
team
these
is
chains.
I am the moonlight that breaks through the darkness.
So, pangatlo akong pipili. Ang pipiliin ko
The
dito is...
incarnation of Capricorn
The
is
enemy
here.
is picking.
Sino ba? Normally marksman ako guys, pero
Hope will find a way.
sa ngayon ang pipiliin ko muna si si Rafaela.
Wherever I go,
Support lang ako usual. Hindi naman ako ganun kalakas guys, hindi ako ganun kagaling. So si Rafaela ang pipiliin ko para support lang. Wala akong skins. How I wish may skin ako. Baka naman, yung mga gusto maglibre dyan ng skin.
Time to go to the RT show.
Libre nyo ako
the
ng
enemy
skin.
is picking.
Nakikita ba ako sa video? Sana nakikita ako guys. O baka putol yung ulo ko. Mababa yata yung camera eh.
Pleasure.
Siguro naman hindi, no? Sana naman nakikita ko. Ayan, yuyuko ako. So, basahin buo ko guys kasi bagong ligo lang ako. Naisipan ko
Sniper ready.
mag-video,
Give me a target.
mag-record,
team is
mag-video.
picking.
Ang tawag nyo dyan.
Let's fight to our heart's content!
Ayan, so Rafaela tayo. Mabilis yung internet ko dito guys, PLDT. Fiber. Parang gusto ko magkaroon ng computer shop ulit. Fiber. Ayan, so waiting tayo sa mga kampi natin sa kainin.
To Mobile Legends.
Yan, sa top ako guys.
5 seconds till the enemy reaches the battlefield.
Top yung position na lalaruin ko guys. Sa ML. Yan. Ba't kaya madalas nagtatago sila sa bush, no? Kahit ako, madalas parating nasa bush kapag umpisa. Di ba? Ang galing ng galing ng Rafaela. Tatlo kagad yung nai-hit niya. Lako.
Everyone regrets. So do I.
So, support lang ako, guys. Ako
We
isang
stand
mahinang
with the
nilalang.
innocent.
First blood.
Mga first blood kagad.
No one can turn back
Wala akong
time.
masyadong nakikita nagra-Rafaela pag ranks, no? Ako lang yata.
Our fate flows
Napansin nyo
like
ba,
a
guys?
river
Meron ba
crossed.
nagra-Rafaela pag kayo naglalaro? Parang wala. Parating ako lang. Normal yung pinipili nila dyan. Si Saber. Sino pa? Si Yin. O, yun na. Kalaban. Tingnan mo, tatlo kagad kalaban namin.
Initiate.
Understand upon the land of dawn. The light is the only thing you cannot shadow.
Mahina pa yung hero ko, guys. Okay. Nandyan si ano.
May the light
Ano
guide
pangalan
your
nun, guys?
souls.
Layla.
Gather up the turtle.
Meron pa sa kabila, oh. Mga leching
Healing
kalaban
prayers
yan.
for you.
Kala mo, ha? Chechempuan ko rin kayo. Hindi pa, oh. Patay mo
Healing
na.
for everyone.
Wala na. Makatakas.
An enemy has been slain.
Do not gaze into the darkness. It stains your soul. Healing prayers for you.
Slain.
Ah! Dead.
Never
Agad tayo, guys.
Backup.
Understood.
Hindi ko memorize yung mga yung mga gamit. Pag nag-ML ako, guys, sinusundan ko lang yung recommended. Tapos hindi ko memorize yung pangalan ng mga gamit. Pati yung mga skills nila. Hindi ko memorize kung ano pangalan nila. Ginagawa ko, naglalaro lang ako.
Healing
Siyempre.
for everyone.
An ally has slain the turtle.
Isip na Layla yan. Hindi shit naman.
Healing prayers for you.
Ally has been
Kunti
slain.
na lang, oh. Matay na yung Layla
Healing
niya.
for everyone. Live the moment.
Ako.
Make it count. Healing prayers for you.
An enemy has been slain.
Mahina pa yung bawas.
Even your own eyes can
Tira.
deceive you
Yun.
sometimes.
Back. Oops.
In the name of the
Kala mo,
light.
ha? Mautaka mo ko, ha? Sige. Sige, abol. Sige. Yan.
An enemy.
Kala nyo, ha? Porket tapaela yun. Dami.
Prayers for
Sabi
you.
naman yan. Tapaela lang ako. 3 pa kalaban, guys.
Losing
Your team destroyed the turret.
healing prayers for you.
Dito lahat yung kalaban.
We are the light bringers.
Killing spree.
May the light guide your souls. for everyone. You are your own master. Healing prayers for you. Gather up the turtle!
Patay, 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 bilis!
The light. Healing for everyone.
Killing spree.
Nice! Kadeds.
Okay. Double kill.
Kadeds tayo ulit. Pero ang galing na support, di ba? Siyempre, support lang tayo. Support.
An ally has slain the turtle. Launch attack.
We stand with the innocent. No, we are the light bringers. Healing for everyone.
Ally has been
Heal ng
slain.
heal. Siyempre, healer tayo. Heal ako ng heal kahit full,
Our
ano
fate
sila, full
flows
health.
like rivers crossed.
Oops. Yan, si Mia, si Layla, yan madalas silang ginagamit, yung mga marksman.
Live the moment.
Tapos,
Make it count.
sino pa ba?
Request back. Okay.
Ang mga ayaw ko, sina ano eh. Hindi ko alam yung pangalan nila, guys.
Everyone regrets.
Wala namang kwenta yan.
So do I. In the name of the light.
Mega kill.
Eh, so, buti na lang dito naman.
Healing for everyone.
See, bilis, ang bilis ng health ko. Tumakas ka agad.
Launch attack. Okay.
Healing
Our turret
prayers
has
for
been
you.
destroyed.
May the light forever shine on the land of dawn. We are the light bringers.
Back na, back.
Healing prayers for you.
Beware of ambush. Unstoppable.
Healing for everyone. The light is the only thing you cannot shadow. Heal in the name of the light.
Hindi siguro pang rank type talaga si Rafaela, no guys? Kayo guys, anong opinion nyo doon? Pwede bang rank si Rafaela? O wala lang talaga gumagamit? O talagang hindi siya pang rank type kaya hindi nila ginagamit? Ito, rank naman kung linalaro. Okay naman sa'yo. Hindi nga na, mamamatay na. Bilis, bilis. Ay, yun lang. Yun lang, namatay.
Forgive me.
Nakas.
Enemy has been slain.
Ang pangalan yan guys. Hindi ko lang pangalan yan.
Beware of turret. Understood. Request
Ayun na ako sa mga ganyan eh. Fighter siguro yun, no?
Do not
Hindi na ako sa
gaze
mga
into the
ganun.
darkness. It stains your soul.
Ano pa kasing mga ginagamit kong hero? Dairot ba yun? Dairot. Yan, tsaka si... Ano pa kasing isa? Yung may espada rin. Basta.
Request backup. Okay. Enemy has been slain.
Even your own eyes can deceive you sometimes. Healing for every. We are the light bringers.
Team destroy the turret.
Healing prayer.
Ayan, pwede na. Please. Please.
Enemy has
Ayan, isa pa.
double kill.
Healing for everyone. Healing prayers for you. You are
Killing
your own
spree.
master.
You destroy
Diba?
the turret.
Galing ko mag-push.
Healing
Magagaling
for
din yung mga
everyone.
kampi ko, kaya ganyan. Feeling ko mananalo kami dahil
Regrets.
magagaling yung kampi ko.
So do I. Healing prayers for you. In the name of the light.
Sige, sige.
Healing for everyone.
Killing spree. Your team destroyed.
Kala nyo ha. Kahit
Healing
Rafael lang
prayers
ako.
for you. The light is the only thing you cannot shadow. Healing for everyone.
You destroy the turret. Double kill.
Loko. Dinets ka nila.
No one can turn back time. Not even. We are the light bringers.
Galing ko support guys.
Team destroy the turret.
Yeah.
May the light
Initiate
forever
retreat,
shine
okay.
upon the land of dawn. Healing prayers for you.
An ally has slain Lord.
Healing for everyone. In the name of the light. Healing prayers for you.
Patay.
Slain.
Healing for everyone. Healing prayers for you. Live the moment. Make it count. Healing for everyone. Healing prayers for you. Our fate flows like rivers cross. We are the light bringers. Healing prayers.
Talagang lalakas ang kakampi ko guys. No?
Team destroy the turret.
Patay. Patay. Ala. Dali.
Healing for everyone.
Kala mo ha. Sugod.
Healing prayers for you. Healing prayers
Wala na.
for you.
Hindi tinablan.
An enemy has been slain.
Healing prayers for you. In the name of the light.
Tapos na. Yay. Woo! Panalo guys. Winners.
Victory.
Ayun guys. So first gaming natin to. Tapos na. Yay! Woo! Panalo guys. Winners. Ayun guys. So first gaming natin to. Ano pangalan to? Rafaela Gaming. So sana magustuhan niyo yung vlog. Meron pa susunod. Magre-record pa ako ulit ng games ko. Maraming salamat. Bye-bye!